Delicious and quick breakfast. Comes together easy, comes together fast, and the cost is around $1 without the sausage, $1.40 with the sausage. You're gonna love this. Something you can make every day, very quickly, very inexpensively, and this will fill you up till lunch. I guarantee it. All right, let's start off with our potato. We're going to peel this. Next, get our grater. We're going to grate these down real fine. This is going to be a large breakfast for one person. Very quick, very simple, and costs us around $1 when you throw everything in there. Next, you want to go into a salad spinner. Easiest way to get potatoes clean and dry. You want to rinse these, you want to get all the starch, all the water off. Let me go get these rinsed and I'll come back. Hang on. Potatoes in our giant salad spinner. Get these all rinsed out. Potatoes rinsed out. Dry it down there. You want to get all the water out. Onto our plate. Wipe our surface off. It's a very quick meal, very easy. Let's turn our fire on. Let our fire get hot. Before you put the oil in, oil goes in. You use quite a bit of oil because you want to cook the potatoes. Potatoes go in. Listen to that sizzle. Sizzle means flavor. Make sure they're all cooked. We have some ingredients going in a second. Make sure they don't stick. Potatoes are so inexpensive and there's so many versatile uses for these. Here we go. Potatoes in. After these start to brown, we'll start adding seasonings to it. Next, we're going to throw in some mushrooms. We're going to throw in some chopped green onions. And that's about it for the vegetables. Next, we're going to add some garlic salt. Love the garlic. Some cracked black pepper. Don't want anything to stick. Sticking is not good. Now we're going to come in with an Anaheim chili. This isn't hot. It's a good flavor though. Good seasoning. Chili's in. See the crust on there? Crust is good. Crust adds flavor. Our potatoes are done. Add them to the plate. They got a lot quieter too. We're going to have 1 egg. Let the fire heat up. You can add anything you want to this. You can add 1 egg, 2 eggs. You can add tomatoes, you can add vegetables. We're going to keep this very simple. With 1 egg, One egg again. Nice. Don't want this to stick or burn. If it does, that's okay too. We can work around it. There. Eggs looking good. Do a flip. Good crust of the eggs. It's going to be a good hearty breakfast for one person. Eggs are done, fire off. We're going to add the egg to the entree. We're going to add a little bit of cheese, a little bit of cracked pepper, add some paprika for color, and that's it. Breakfast for one for around $1. One more thing. If you would like to add a sausage, heat your sausage up, turn your fire back on, get these sausages from Sam's, they're about 40 cents a piece. Sausage on. And that's our breakfast. Let's come back and try this, see how it is, and you can make this yourself also. This breakfast is around $1. If you add the sausage to it, it comes to $1.40. I dare you go in any restaurant and get this for less than $12. Cook yourself at home. You'll be thankful, you'll be appreciative, and you'll save money, and it will taste a lot better. This is our quick breakfast. $1 for the breakfast, $1.40 if you add this sausage. I had an English muffin and a little bit of Anaheim chilies on top for garnish. Let's try this, see how it is. It smells wonderful. Egg. Ah, look at that. Egg yolk. Good stuff. We also put a little sour cream on there to make it look good. Try the egg, potatoes. That taste is amazing. With the sausage, I think I'll make me a sandwich. I'm gonna put the sausage on the English muffin and eat the eggs with that. However, it's up to you. You do you. If you like this, let me know. If you want to see anything else, let us know. And in the meantime, we'll keep coming up with more entrees, more meals that are cheap, that are delicious, that are easy, and that fill you up. That's what our goal is. And we'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye. I'm going to make me a sandwich and we're going to finish this. I'll see you next time.